As we all know, this is few hours to the nationwide protest. What is going on in your area? A lot of people have called me that there are a lot of inducement in their area, people trying to tell them not to protest, people trying to share money to them, just like in the days of a campaign, where people will come and begin to, deceive them, telling them, don't come out and do this, don't do this, don't do that. So what is going on in your area? The Senate had emergency meeting this evening, but the outcome of the meeting have not been communicated to the people. But one of the inside source allegedly told us that the meeting the senators had, that they are talking about how to, amend the constitution or have a new constitution. That is what they are deliberating. That is the only thing they themselves can do to stop the end bad government protest in Nigeria. So a lot of things have been going on anyway. Tell me what is going on in your area. What is going on in your area? For here, we are prepared, and few hours to go, we are going to hit the street, and there is no going back about it. And there are some part of the country like Imo State, people from Imo State, I don't really know what is going on. They said that because of a sit at home, that there are a lot of shooting, gun battle between the policemen and the people who are shooting. So I don't really know. So I want people from Imo State there to stay safe. You see, someone who is alive is the one who protests. If you're not alive, you will not have time to do anything you want to do. So I encourage everyone to stay safe. Stay safe. If you see if someone is fighting you and you don't know why the person is fighting you, it's important you stay safe. So as we know, tomorrow the protest is going to hold and there is nothing stopping it. It is now clear to everyone that we are resolute and peaceful. Right from the day this protest was fixed, a lot of people told us this thing is not going to happen. We shouldn't do this. People have protested in the past, it didn't work. So why do people think that this protest is going to work? Well, the protest is already at hand. Tomorrow we are going out. It is nationwide. So many people from the northern Nigeria, they are doing great job, honestly. They are doing a great job. So I really commend them. They are trying. So are you protesting tomorrow? Let me know in the comment section. There is a number there to call if you wish to call on WhatsApp call. You can call the next talk. Tell us what is going on in your area and how the protest is spreading. How is the atmosphere over there? For here, everything is calm over here because the people here are resolute, they want to protest. So there is nothing like people telling them on the street, do not protest, don't do this, don't do that, In a community or places where you see where old women can't go to farm, insecurity everywhere, you don't have to tell people to go and protest. People know what they are supposed to do. People know what they are supposed to do. So I really want to tell people, because a lot of talks with people today, people have different opinion towards this protest. Yeah? Some persons are telling me we are not going to protest, especially people from the southeast. But we don't have problem about that at all. The only problem I have is that the same people from the southeast, some of them are still going to collect money from the government and telling the government that they are going to counter protest. So they are protesting to counter protest. It's not good like that because if you look at what is going on in Nigeria, you see that this protest is a necessity. Everyone must understand that this protest is necessity. If this protest is not going to work, if this protest is not important, you will not see all these politicians, House of Rep member, even the president trying to stop it. They will not get concerned. They will not even feel anything if this protest is not going to work. If this protest is not important, if it is not something that, threatens the government, you will not see why the government will do everything to stop the protest. They are doing everything to stop the protest. It's an indication that the protest is working. It's an indication that the protests will move them to stop a lot of things like, the price of fuel, the release of Nnamdi Kanu, scrapping of the constitution, and so on and so forth. So let's see how, a luta continua, struggle continues. Struggle continues. I choose to be part of people who don't complain, but who take action. A lot of people in Nigeria, they are fond of complaining. This will not work. This will not work. We don't need this. We don't need that. We are not part of this. We are not part of that. But when it is time for them to take action, you will not see them to take action. So there is no going back about this protest. There is no going back. We need all your support. We need your support. We need everything. Kindly encourage people to join the protest. If the people you're encouraging don't want to join, don't force them. Don't force anybody to join the protest. After the first day, after the second day, after the third day, no one will tell you to go to the streets. Yeah, maybe people are waiting for the first day, people are waiting for the second day, people are waiting for the third day. After the third day, the fourth day, they can now say, oh, the protest is really working. Let us come and join. Let us come and join. But I think that is not supposed to be so, because if you're waiting for people to come and start the protest for you before you will join, what if there is nobody to start it up for you? So if you really know what you want, you try to join the protest tomorrow. If you want the constitution to be scrapped, if you want referendum, come join the protest. If you want hunger to stop, if you want fuel price to come down, come and join the protest. If you want Nnamdi Kanu to be freed, if you want Senate to be scrapped, come and join the protest. We are going to hold our government accountable. We're going to hold them accountable for everything they have done wrong. Yeah, we are going to hold them accountable. Sonny Uche, good morning, thanks. Good evening, thanks for joining. Says revolution and protest is long overdue in Nigeria. Yes, it's long overdue, my brother, but a lot of people fail to understand this. A lot of people fail to understand this, that this thing is overdue. If you talk to people tell you, no, I don't want to protest, I don't want to do this, I don't want to do that. It is well. It is well, but there is no going back about it. John Candos, good evening, thanks for joining. Humbo Ugo, good evening, thanks for joining. I hope you people are preparing for tomorrow. We are peaceful and resolute. We are peaceful and resolute. Today I was at a police station, one of the police stations in our area there. We are talking about the issue of this protest. Why they must come and guide the protesters tomorrow. I see that police don't have problem with people who are going to protest. I don't know. Police don't have problem with them. But I know that Tinubu, we always give order to the top police, and the order could be flown down to the ordinary police who try to let you know that he's in support of the protest. See, one thing with armed forces, all the security agents, is that when their superiors speak, they will follow the order, you understand. But ordinarily, I see that these people, they are not interested in stopping anybody who is protesting or coming against them. So that is what I discovered from my journey to the police station today. So I don't really know what is in how your side is. Let me know what is going on in your area. Sonny Uche say, only if majority of the people knows that they are just existing and not living life as it's supposed to be. Unfortunately, because a lot of people don't know that they are not living. A lot of people don't know that they are just existing. What we are going through in Nigeria right now is not life, man. Honestly, it's not life. It's the only thing that keeps me busy. And my brother is helping me with data to watch your channel. God bless you, sir. God bless you. I deal with you, okay? So that is it. One thing people should think, what if this protest becomes successful and the purpose of this protest, everything come to pass successfully? Think about it. Just think about it. What if everything becomes successful? Think about it. You know what that means now. Think about it. If everything just becomes successful, you know that everything we have been agitating for, everything people have been carrying on for, this protest could just give you everything. This is overdue. Protest is the power of the people. Gun won't help. You understand? Crisis won't help. But this is just the only way we can humble the government. Tonight, I will not be coming out for live broadcast because I have to rest. I am really, really, really tired. I have to rest and prepare for tomorrow. So that is the reason why I have to come out live to let people know. Because a lot of persons would like to come at midnight for our normal broadcast. We will talk about the state of the nation. But it's not going to hold because I'm seriously tired. Running up and down, it's not easy. So from tomorrow, we might be doing that. Let me see how tomorrow is going to be. First of all, I'm going to be on ground where they are protesting, and let me see how it's going to be. If everything goes well, then I'll go back to studio and start making video to also inform people how the protest is going. So that is how tomorrow's program is going to be. So thanks everyone for joining. We'll not be having our midnight broadcast today because tomorrow is protest. I have to go and rest. I'm tired. I'm seriously tired. So thank you everyone for your support. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for everything. Sonny says, since I left Nigeria more than 3 decades ago, there is no improvement at all. Absolutely a very, retarded improvement. The improvement is very slow. It's not like, millipede. Bondogo said, be safe out there tomorrow, Mr. Okocha. I will pray for you going on. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. No problem about that. So we'll call it again. See you people tomorrow. See you people tomorrow. Let's go and have a very good night rest ahead of tomorrow. Okay? Thank you so much.